What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, getting rid of these boost gauges. On my way there to get them installed. I don't know, it's just I'm not really good at wiring and all that stuff, so I just figured I'd just get my buddy to do it. Yeah, so you probably won't see too much of how to install it because we're just trying to get it done real quick and he has other shit to do. So I'm just kind of more so showing you guys before and after. In case you guys didn't know, I got the Prosport, I think it's called the Evo Pro boost gauge. It's like the digital one, so it's gonna be pretty cool. Thinking about putting it in the middle and then have my air fuel ratio, and I don't know what else I'm gonna get. I only have the boost gauge right now, but I'm gonna get those ones soon. But yeah, so let's get that done. Hopefully it looks good. Well, I know it's gonna look good, but yeah. So one of the reasons I'm replacing it is because this stock gauge only reads to 15 PSI and my car is tuned. I'm pushing more boost than that. I like to know what I'm making, so that's kind of one of the reasons, and I wanted to make the interior more modern. So with the digital boost gauge, I think that would really modern it up a little bit. New steering wheel and all that. So, gauge is in. Looks pretty good. The only thing that sucks is I don't have the other two gauges just to fill the other two holes, but other than that, looks pretty good. I decided to go with the red instead of the blue. I gotta get a toggle switch so that I can switch them in between red and blue. But I'll do that once I get my other gauges. But yeah, I thought the red, because all the lights on the interior at night are blue, so I thought the red would really stick out and kind of, I don't know, kind of match the car, I guess. So I just decided to go with that. But I'm pretty happy with it. Seems to be working pretty good. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys at night what it looks like. And then that'll probably be the end of the video. And then I'll do, once I get the other two gauges, then I'll do another video or a short to show you guys what it looks like all together. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, honestly. Like, really, I really like it. It's just way better than the stock gauges. And I'm pushing more than 19, it's just that I was in 6th gear, so that's why I only went 19, but yeah. Fucking long day at work. Oh. That's not my music. What the fuck is somebody doing jumping jacks there for? It's fucking weird. Nice 13-hour shift done. Back at it again tomorrow. Killing me. Yeah, this boost gauge looks so nice at nighttime. Yeah, I can't wait to get the other two. Man, that's gonna look so good. hope you guys like the video though. Like, comment, subscribe. More to come, obviously. I'm gonna get these other gauges soon and hopefully get that video up definitely before I put my car away. But I don't know if any of you guys are into the Volvo. If you guys see any of those videos, pretty cool car. You can look out for a lot of that in the winter time because this will be away. I'll still buy stuff for this and put it on in the garage, but you'll see more of the Volvo, like driving videos and all that. But yeah, so far so good, loving it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was just a short, something quick. Unfortunately, I could walk you guys through it. If you guys have any questions, you could ask me on how to wire up your boost gauge on the Jenny. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one.